Getting a loan in Zambia can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. The first step is to determine your loan needs and budget. Calculate how much you need to borrow and what you can afford to repay each month. Consider your income, expenses, and credit history to ensure you can manage the loan repayments. Next, choose a lender that suits your needs. Zambia has several banks and financial institutions that offer loans, such as Barclays Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, and Zambia National Commercial Bank. You can also consider non-bank financial institutions like Bayport Financial Services and Get Bucks. Research and compare their interest rates, fees, and repayment terms to find the best option. Once you have selected a lender, check the eligibility criteria for the loan. Typically, lenders require you to be at least 18 years old, have a stable income, and provide collateral or a guarantor. Some lenders may also require a good credit history, so it is essential to check your credit report before applying. To apply for a loan, you will need to gather the required documents, which usually include your national registration card, proof of income, and bank statements. You can apply online, by phone, or in person at the lender's branch. Fill out the application form accurately and provide all the necessary documents to avoid delays. After submitting your application, the lender will review your creditworthiness and verify the information you provided. This may take a few days or weeks, depending on the lender and the type of loan. If your application is approved, the lender will offer you a loan agreement that outlines the terms and conditions of the loan. Before signing the agreement, read it carefully and ensure you understand the interest rate, repayment terms, and any fees or charges. It is also essential to consider the total cost of the loan and ensure you can afford the monthly repayments. If you are satisfied with the terms, sign the agreement and receive the loan amount. Finally, make timely repayments to avoid defaulting on the loan. Set up a repayment plan and ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the monthly installments. You can also consider setting up a direct debit or standing order to make repayments easier and less prone to missed payments. In conclusion, getting a loan in Zambia requires careful planning, research, and consideration of your financial situation. By following these steps and choosing a lender that suits your needs, you can access the funds you need to achieve your goals. Always read the loan agreement carefully and make timely repayments to avoid any financial difficulties.